Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the fun little ideas and things I found that I'm going to be putting into my family members' stockings this year. This is my son's little stocking. I'm still looking for some new ones to upgrade, but we're going with this one. And I just wanted to mention, these things are so cute. I got these from Walmart this year and I thought they were the cutest little stocking tags to hang on the stocking. I thought that was so cute. But let me show you what we have to put in our stocking. So everybody, I feel like, does different things in their family when it comes to stockings. I used to get some nice gifts in my stocking, like they were just smaller, things like jewelry. But now that I have my own family, I tend to do just fun little gifts, something small to show that you were thinking of them. Treats are a big one. So the first thing I got was this little stuffed doggy. This I have to put in Graysons Stocking, just something fun. It was $1 from the dollar store, something to kind of remember Christmas. I just thought it was really cute, and we always love getting dog stuff because we have a dog. The second thing I got were these little chocolate covered marshmallows. The thing I love about these is that you can buy one pack, and I got these at the dollar store for $1. The good thing about it is that you could just take one and put one in each stocking if you have a big family, and not have to buy 5 individual things. So I also got some more treats, just some peanut butter M&Ms. So I think this is the last sweet item that I got. But I got just some peppermint white chocolate bark. This stuff's so good. So another idea I have for stockings are snacks that aren't sweet snacks like chocolate and all that stuff, but some regular snacks like pistachios. These I thought were the cutest little bag for the stocking. I got these at the dollar store. I was also looking for beef jerky, but they didn't have that at the dollar store, and the only place I could find them, they're like $2 or so a piece. So getting snacks like these that aren't sweet snacks I think are a really great idea. Maybe like pretzels or little bags of chips, stuff like that. I think changes up the stocking a little bit. Okay, that was all of the items for the treats. So the next item I got, I really, for some reason, was just set on getting some little Christmas rubber duckies. And I thought these were so stinking cute. This one has like a little red sweater on, and this one has little snowflakes. And I found these at Target. Target had a huge selection for stocking stuffers. And not just in like the Christmas section. If you go by like the clothing for kids, there's like a whole section for stocking stuffers there. If you go over to like I want to say it was like the purses and stuff for women, there's stuff for stocking stuffers for women there. They were like loaded with stocking stuffer ideas in Target. So the next item I got would be for maybe a woman in your life, like your mom, your wife, your sister, whoever, but a small candle. This one is from the dollar store, and honestly these ones are so cute. They come in the cutest little jars that you could actually end up reusing for something else later, possibly for like a sugar scrub or something like that, or making your own candles. You can also get little candles from Bath and Body Works. I almost said Bed Bath & Beyond. You can get them from Bath and Body Works. This is actually a Halloween one, but they do have Christmas ones, and this one, oh, it smells so good. And they're pretty inexpensive and a cute little thing that you could put into their stocking. This next item would be for a man in your life, like your husband, your brother, or an older son, and that's just socks. My husband, I believe he likes getting socks, but these ones are pretty inexpensive and I love the little packaging that it came in. These I found in the Target dollar spot, or in like, it's called something different now, but these ones were actually $3. And they have a few different patterns, but you can find little sets like this all throughout all kinds of different stores. But this one, the packaging, I just really liked a lot. I just wanted to show a little bit closer view of these socks and the cute little packaging that it came in. So the next item are actually for two older children. I'm not going to say who because they may be watching this, but this I found at the dollar store and I thought it was really cute. It may not hold up for like a really long time, but it's just like a little Rubik's Cube type toy that has Christmas stuff on it. This one I thought was so cute. I'm pretty sure, I don't really remember where I got this. I want to say the dollar store, but I'm not sure. But it's just stickers, and I think stickers for like a little boy or a little girl are a great idea. This particular little girl loves stickers, and I thought little Christmas themed ones were really fun. Having little things like that in their stocking is so fun. I like to find miniature versions of stuff they already use and love. Things like a tiny little perfume. I mean, you can also get them a larger perfume, but I just love getting like those little miniature ones to give. But a little miniature one I think is so fun and so cute. So I hope that helped with a few fun little ideas for stocking stuffers, and that kind of covers everyone a little bit. Like I said, for the most part, we do some kind of treats and maybe one or two little items that aren't treats. If you have more ideas, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear them. I'm always looking for fun little ideas for the stocking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that button down below. Thanks, guys.